What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I put out a video. I haven't really been able to get down to the truck. Just schedules got kind of all flipped around and everything, and I just wanted to wait and space out the videos until I was able to go back down again. And I'll be back down very soon, as in tomorrow, and it won't primarily be to work on the truck, but it is something else. Stay tuned. It's gonna be super duper fun. However, thank you guys for coming along for the ride. This is going to be episode 5. It's crazy. It's been a minute, but back at it. And stay tuned towards the end of this video. And then there's another special segment. So thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy the video. Peace. Alrighty guys, so we're back from our lunch. And we've been just kind of pondering the idea of what we're going to do with the dash, and this is essentially the template of what we're going to do. They are tracing out a cardboard cutout right now, but essentially what we got here is this is going to go, and it's essentially going to set like this. So it's all one piece, and the gauges, they'll still fit pretty nicely. So I think it'll work out really nice. I think it'll look good, and it'll still be able to be sticker bomb too. So yeah, this is gonna be really cool. As you can see, they got the T out, tracing that up, and I'm just kind of chilling, feeling a little lazy after eating some lunch. It's not just me.
Oh, okay.
Someone else is feeling a little lazy too.
Yeah, it'll push down. Alright, so yeah, if you do the 8.5 inch mark, you're fine.
We just gotta get it laid flat.
Yeah, well, if you take off that 1/2 inch each side,
It'll lay
you
flat.
fit in that, it'll lay flat.
So the 8.5 marks.
Yep, right there. And
Past
just
it.
on that side of the roll bar.
Okay. So the 8.5 should be on that, and then
One side of the robot.
on this
Yeah,
side. On this side.
Oh,
So yeah,
that's
that'll
what
back you back down the way. Okay, that's what I wanted to do.
8.5 inch mark up.
He's thinking it's other people in here.
Coming in?
That's 1/2 inch, right?
Yep.
Come on. Come on.
Something's wrong. I didn't think that, because that's above the.
No, that was our 8.5 mark.
Right, but that's. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Ignore me. Ignore me.
Are you okay there, sir?
No, because this stuff drives me nuts. Because I can sit here and think this thing wrong 3 times and then get it right once. So it's a little tougher.
So one thing my dad always has told me is measure twice and cut once.
Yeah.
And he seems to measure 3,000 times and cut none.
What's wrong?
We're gonna have to go further. It's gotta go to the first black line.
Oops.
That's why the dot don't look right, because we didn't allow for whatever.
From here to that edge? How far
somebody
is it
needs.
back? 1/2 inch?
Sorry. I was like you, I was looking at it, I was like, something's not quite right, but I can't figure out what it is. Push yours all the way in.
Where's your template?
problem with the template is it's in backwards. I think it needs to come up just a smidge, don't it? Can you get an eyeball on it? A little bit more. Alright. Good thing is, we can set it in there right now. Got it?
Got it.
I'd put it in there and see how it
Go sit your ass in that seat and hold you in there.
Here, I'll do it, since you have a hard time with it.
Your butt sticks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're just seeing how big Colin's butt is. Give it a little love. Go up to the top.
Go up to the top, he said. I don't know what that means.
Alright, wait a minute. Colin ain't got his all in here. Alright. It's gonna be snug.
You want to talk about roll fenders? They're just there with this.
All right, we're high.
You do a little more?
You're not down on the roll bar, eh?
Yeah,
You down on the roll bar, Colin?
No.
There's Colin on the roll bar.
I think we need to bend this a little bit more. Yeah, we need to bend it a little bit more. We need a little more bend in it.
Give me that measurement up there. Right there where them dots are. Well, we're on the right length.
Yeah, I think it just needs to bend a little more so it sits right.
It's a little bit. It's going to be a little shallow this side, so the curve might not be right.
Yeah, but I don't understand. We're not down.
Push
on
it
the-
up. Push it up, Colin. Push it up.
No, no,
No,
no,
push it
bar.
towards the windshield. Hold it there at the windshield.
We're not down at the bar.
Hitting this, but there's the bar, but that's where we need to flatten this out to get it to the bar more.
And Colin, I got 2 fingers before Colin ever gets to the bar.
Push over, Colin, just like you were just doing.
Yeah, you got. It's gonna have
to be formed.
It's gonna have to be formed to it. And we can put some more on it, but it needs to set on the bars where it needs to set on.
Because you don't want it up against the windshield. You're going to hit the mounts. Goes in mounts.
If that line of that bend should be center line of the thing.
You can't hit it that far.
Well, no, the line on the metal should be the center line of the. Should be behind the center line of the lower bar.
That's what I said.
Make that angle.
You hit. So it's hitting right.
I'm on it.
All right, well, bend it a little bit more.
Yeah, we gotta cut out the.
Well, I thought there was something there that was in the way, but I couldn't remember what it was. What do you mean come out easier? Well, I got a roll in it already.
A few moments later.
Piece. I can hit those couple screw mounts, can I?
Oh yeah, one.
There's one on each corner and 2 in the middle.
Corner, one right here, one over there.
Flap, flap, flap. Where's your? Oh, hand me a gauge.
Ain't as good as it used to be, but we got
Gauge. Can we have a gauge, sir?
A what?
Can we have one of our, can we have a tachometer, an oil pressure,
behind
and
me.
a water temperature thing?
It's in the bed.
Somewhere back there.
You see it.
Yeah, we had my big break.
What gauge is that?
This is a, this is a speedometer.
Well, technically it is. It tells you what speed.
This is a fuel meter. And this is a vroom vroom measurer.
Measurer.
Hey, look, man, we couldn't have done that any better if we freaking tried.
Cut off.
Oh no, the screen's still on. Just
on.
tap screen.
Oh.
You just got to drill a couple holes, deep line and stuff.
Just go through. That's all I gotta do.
Hello.
No, that
You
thing
got
makes that hole look-
you got a problem.
Look at that nice dash.
You got a problem.
Yeah, no, it's off. I can tell.
You got no water temperature.
Nope.
And the oil pressure. And the oil pressure 0 too.
Oh no, our truck, it's broken.
Okay, old man with the camera with a little bit of update on the truck. Unfortunately, it's been a little on the lonely side. For most of the month of April, I wasn't able to get in here and do anything with it. Primary goal has been to try to get this dashboard in this truck. If you notice here, I've actually got lines through the firewall now. I've got the water temperature sensor and the lines for the tachometer coming through the firewall. I still have to put the oil pressure copper line through there, and started on getting things settled in here. There's a good bit of glare, but if you can see it, all three of the gauges have been mounted up and they're solid down. I've got the center connection made, and then if you can see on the far side, I've got the switch gauge. And as you can see here, I've got the switch panel with the keel, the starter, and the 3 accessories that's going to be wired to it. So we're getting a little bit closer every time we get to work on it.